How's your day, everyone? Welcome to another episode of How's Your Day? So today may ocular tayong property. It's a collaboration with another appraiser, no? Isang kaibigan natin na papasama para mag-appraise ng property ng client niya. This one is a little different, no? Yung property kasi is being used as market. It's another experience for me. Although nakapag-appraise naman na ako ng palengke, no? Pero this one kasi is subject for expropriation, so medyo iba ulit yung approach natin. For everyone's information, no, expropriation, this is the act or the process wherein the government will take your privately owned property, no, for public use, and of course subject siya sa just compensation. That is why nagkakaroon tayo ng mga court hearings, mga cases, expropriation cases, kasi of course pag hindi pumayag yung private owner na sa amount na ibibigay ng government, they can file a case, no, para ma-determine what is the market value of the property para mabigyan sila ng just compensation. So see you. Alright mga ka-house, so tapos na natin i-ocular yung market na subject natin for appraisal. So ayun, si Prof. Brian na yung attend ng hearing and magsasubmit ng report. I-assist na lang natin siya for the process of appraisal, no? So if you have any question regarding real estate, appraisal, brokerage, yun, so just comment down below and let's try to answer it. Bye-bye. See you in the next episode.